Welcome to this quick guide on how to turn off voice control on your iPhone. If you've accidentally triggered voice control or simply don't use it, here's how to disable it completely. Before moving next, please subscribe to my channel for more tips. If you have subscribed, then like this video at the end. Now let's get started. First of all, unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. Now, scroll down and tap on Accessibility. On this screen, under the Physical and Motor section, tap on Voice Control. Please toggle the voice control switch to off. If it's already off, you don't need to do anything else. Alternative method. If your iPhone has Siri enabled and you want to avoid triggering voice control through the side or home button, so go back to the main settings screen. Then, tap on Accessibility again. Now, tapping on side button or home button, depending on your iPhone model. My iPhone have Face ID, so I have side button option, tapping on this, and then under press and hold to speak, select off. Your phone should have this type of setting screen. To turn off voice control for side button. That's it. You've successfully turned off voice control on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick iPhone tips.